I find it super important to bring the Shire into my world. So I made an embroidered hobbit hole to hang in my home. I used all the fun stitches I could think of, but still made it so you can do it if you've never embroidered before. So I hope you like this. This video will teach you how to put together 2 colors of fabric for this design, which is the first step in the pattern. Let's begin. Here's my original sketch. The idea is to have the 2 fabrics meet right where the grass begins. You may ask why I'm not using blue for the sky. The honest answer is I felt like trying something different, and this also ensured a cohesive color palette, but I really want to see one of you try a lilac sky. I think that'd be so pretty. Now, get your hoop and place the inner part under your material. Make sure to place the sky fabric underneath and have it cover the whole hoop. The stability is needed as most of the embroidery will rest there. I'm cutting some little frayed strands here. I'm using a bigger hoop than the piece just so that I don't have to worry about the position of the grass line. I'm just eyeballing it here. I can get exact later. With some embroidery thread, use 2 strands to make a running stitch. If you know how this goes, forward ahead. If not, stick around to watch me do it. Before stitching, make sure your fabric is taut, both pieces. Here goes the running stitch. Remember to move your hoop around so you can stitch most comfortably as you advance. Do this whenever you embroider. The hoop is round, move it around, and just get comfy. This is how I secure it at the back. I'm just cutting away more stragglers, and there you have it. You can take this off and place it in the 5-inch hoop this design was made for. I used the light box method to trace the design. For that, all surrounding lights should go off. May the stitching make you calm, may there be no knots in your thread, and may you enjoy being a little hobbit cozy at home. I hope this video was helpful. I'll be happy to answer any questions, and if you're looking to bring more magic from the Shire for fall, I'm actually working on this pattern as we speak. I'm pretty excited, and I'm gonna definitely redo those pumpkins. Working on it. Till next time, bye-bye.